In this video, I will build the XOR-Latch circuit.
So this is the XOR-Latch circuit. It is the simplest circuit to hold one bit of memory. To build this circuit, we will need two NOR gates. Instead of using two NOR gates, I have used one single IC which contains four NOR gates, which is the 74LS02. As we are going to use two, I'll just tell you the two outputs and four inputs. So the first NOR gate's output is pin 1 and the inputs are 2 and 3. The output for the second NOR gate is 4 and the input for the second NOR gate are 5 and 6. So these two LEDs, I've used it for the output. And these two buttons, the first button here is the set button and this is the reset button. So according to the NOR gate truth table, when A and B inputs are both 0 or no voltage, then the output will be 1. So any one of these LEDs or the output will start glowing. We don't have any idea which LED will start glowing. It depends on which NOR gate sends the feedback or the signal quickly. So that LED will switch on. So now I'll connect the power. So now you see that this LED has lit up. That means this NOR gate has received the feedback first. So according to the XOR truth table, when both the set and reset are voltage 0, that means it has latched to any one of them. So that means that it has latched one bit of memory. It will not change until I press any of the buttons as it has latched. So if I press the reset button, this is glowing. Now even if I release the button, it's glowing as it's latched, the 1-bit memory. And the same thing will happen if I press the set button. Now see, it has latched the 1 bit of memory. Now if I press both the buttons at the same time, it is an illegal operation as we are telling it to switch on both the LEDs.
Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video interesting.